Good morning, children. Now this is 10th class social studies. This is the 14th lesson, children. We are in the 14th lesson. In the last videos also, I said about many points in the 14th lesson. What is the 14th lesson, children? The war between was 1900 to 1950. This is the part 2, children. 10th class social studies. Okay, children. So in this lesson, I said about Russian Revolution, March Revolution, October Revolution. Who was the last Tsar of Russia? Russian Empire, Nicholas II. Nicholas II was abdicated by the throne of Russian Empire. Okay, children. Provisional government formed, but the provisional government also continued to war by the hunger of their fatherland. So that's why again revolution occurred. That is called October Revolution. Okay, children. Next one, we are in Germany. That means in the lesson we are discussing about Germany. Okay, children. In Germany, one party was very famous. That party named Nazi Party. Actually, Nazi Party was not famous before joining of Hitler. But when Hitler joined, actually 1928. This party got only 2.6% votes in their parliament. But when Hitler joined, he inspired many people. So that's why he got reputation to that party, Nazi party. So that's why in 1932, this party got 37% of votes in German parliament. What is called German parliament, children? Reichstag. So the National Assembly is called Reichstag. Okay, in our country, Parliament. In America, that is Congress. The National Assembly name is Congress. Okay, in Japan, Diet, D-I-E-T, Diet. Okay, so that is about the German Parliament, the Reichstag position. But here, gradually, the Nazi party got reputation. Why? Because Hitler mobilized the people. So he was a great orator. He is an orator. That means he speeches. When he lectured, many people inspired by his speech. In his speech, so he promised about the unemployment. If he came as leader or if he took the power of Germany, he will provide employment opportunity to the unemployed. That means youth. Next, he recognized the loss of Versailles Treaty. According to Versailles Treaty, many territories lost by Germany. So that is why he wanted to regain which territories lost, and some territories has to surrender to other countries. Okay. Next one, he focused, he emphasized in his speech about the conspiracies of foreign countries. That means many countries are put control over Germany development. So that is why Germany faced many problems. Even they cut off the military power also. Next one, industrialization also started slowly. Okay, so that's why he said about the conspiracies of foreign countries which is imposed by Germany, and he want to provide employment facilities to the youth especially. Okay, children. Next one, in those days one flag famous. That flag name is it was a symbol, swastik symbol. So, children, this is the swastik. They hanged or they showed the red banners. It's a swastik symbol. Next one, he believed their race was Aryan race. So the Aryan Germans are powerful, but they believed their race is the supreme race, and they have the confidence and they have the power to conquer the whole world. So he inspired his speech of the German people. So that's why the German people also moved by the side of Hitler. Okay, children. So within a few years, Hitler became a great leader in Germany. Next, children, he targeted Jewish people because the Jewish people was minority people in Germany. Okay, so he said to the German people, we are facing many problems. Why? Because for the sake of Jewish people in our country. So that is why he targeted to kill the Jewish people in Germany, children. So how he killed the Jewish people? So he put concentration camps for all the Jewish people. So he recognized the Jewish people and they were sent to the concentration camp. Okay, next one, they released poisonous gas to these concentration camps. That's why many Jewish people died. Okay, next, children, he opposed communism and capitalism. So we know the ideology of communism is in Russia. The ideology of capitalism is in USA. So USA capitalism. Capitalism means what? Putting investment and getting profits. Again, putting investment and getting profits. So that is capitalism system. But what is the communist system? All are equal. What is the property belongs to the state must be distributed to all people of that country. Okay, so German Hitler opposed these two ideologies. First one is socialism, second one is capitalism. Okay, children. Next one, he did not believe the democracy system. Democracy means what, children? All powers vested in the hands of all people of that country. That all people will select their representatives by their vote right. Okay, they will cast their votes, and who win in the elections, the majority people will form the government. They will rule 5 years or some tenure. This system we can see in democracy system. So finally, in the democracy system, the powers are vested in the hands of all people. But Hitler opposed this democracy system. Okay, next, children, autocratic. He focused upon autocratic. That means dictatorship. Dictatorship means what, children? All powers vested in the hands of one man, and this only one man will rule the country by all powers. So he believed that system, autocratic system. Okay, children. So how he came as leader? One act came or passed in Germany with plebiscite. Okay, that act is Enabling Act. So this act passed in on 24th of March 1933, children. So when he came as leader, as a dictator, he took all powers. So our media, judiciary, all departments. Okay, he took all departments' powers and he started ruling. He wanted to rerun his country once again. He wanted to conquer and rejoin which is lost to the territories. Okay, children. So that is why he suspected the neighboring countries, and also he started to invade the neighboring countries. He attacked the neighboring countries. So at initial stage he got victory. But what happened finally? So it leads to the Second World War. Due to the activities of Hitler, the Second World War started. Okay, children. Next one, he appointed so many special protection forces in his country. For example, SA. SA means regular police, green uniform. Okay, these regular police are supervising who are the citizens of that country. Okay, what are the activities of the citizens? If anybody will oppose, simply they will arrest that people, that citizens, and Hitler will punish them. Okay, children. Next, stormtroopers, Gestapo. Gestapo is one of the secret state police. They do not appear as they are police, but rahasyamga, secretly, they will do their duties as police. But the common people, they did not recognize among them police moving. Okay, so that's why if any person will oppose his government, immediately they will take that fellows and do imprisonment. Okay, children. Stormtroopers, Gestapo, secret police, SS, protection squad, SD, security service. Okay, children. So these all people appointed for the purpose of Hitler rule. Okay, some people secretly doing their duties, some people directly doing their duties. Okay, so these all people are helping for the dictatorship of Hitler in Germany. Okay, next children, he opposed and he crushed all trade unions. Why? Because he took the all powers of his country, and he wanted to develop industries. He wanted to take welfare programs of the workers who are working in the factories and the companies, etc. Next children, for the revival of economic conditions in Germany. Actually, I said in the previous video, at the time of Great Depression, how Germany faced trouble. How many German youth became unemployed. So how they fought for the purpose of feeding, etc. So that's why in his time, one economist was there. His name was Zamal Sasset. Zamal Sasset. Okay, children. So this Zamal Sasset, Zamal Sasset. Zamal Sasset. He was a great economist. So he introduced state-funded work creation program. What is that, children? State-funded work creation program. With this program, they generate employment opportunities to the youth or unemployed. With the procedure or program, the unemployed became employers and they earned some amount too. Okay, children. Next one, they started one company, that is Volkswagen. That is called People's Car. What is that, children? People's Car. Even today also that Volkswagen car is very famous. Okay, children. On those days, at the time of Hitler, they started this factory for the Volkswagen cars. Okay. Next, what happened when he is trying to do all welfare programs in his country? That means he set up industries, he provided employment facilities, he is providing all welfare programs to the all people. But in this way, he attacked neighboring countries. We know in 1939 what happened? Hitler attacked. Hitler means Germany. Attacked upon Poland, children. Why? Because to surrender Danzig port. Actually, Danzig port belongs to Poland, but Hitler demand is to surrender that port to his country. In this way, Poland people went to the help of Russia. So that's why Russian group came to suppress Hitler. That means Germany. So this was the immediate cause of Second World War. Okay, children. Next, children, in Germany, Hitler killed. Look, children, how many people killed? Jewish people. Jewish people killed by Hitler, almost 6 crores people died, children, by the activities of Hitler. Who's these all people? 6 crores? Jewish people. Next, Gypsies also 2 million people died by the activities of Hitler in Germany. Polish people also died. Look, children, how many? 10 million, I think here. Next to 1 million. 1 million. Next to German, even German people also killed by Hitler, who opposed to the rule of Hitler in Germany. 70,000 people killed, children. But what happened when he went with his troop to Russia, the place Stalingrad, in 1940? 3. The Russian soldiers defeated Germany. Germany means here, Germany means Allied power groups. What are the countries in Allied power? France, USA, USSR, okay, England and China. These Allied power groups came and defeated Hitler's children. So finally, these troops came to enter into Germany. The surrounded Berlin children. Berlin was the is the capital of Germany. So in Berlin, Hitler was there. So when they surrounded Hitler in Berlin, he attempted suicide. Okay, children. So he was died, and his associates also died. But after what happened to Germany after the death of Hitler, Germany divided as two parts. Germany divided as two parts. Okay, the first one is GDR, the second one is FRG. GDR means children German Democratic Republic. But upon this part, the Russian influence is heavy. What is the Russia ideology? Socialism. So this part took or embraced socialism, children. That is why the influence can be seen, the Russian influence upon GDR. It is one of the part of Germany. FRG, Federal Republic of Germany. So this part goes under the influence of USA. We know what is the ideology of USA. Capitalism is the ideology of USA. Okay, children. So after death of Hitler, this Germany became two parts. The first part goes under the influence of USSR. Second part goes under the influence of USA. Okay, children. Next one. In the Second World War, ending stage, what happened? These Axis powers became defeating, children, by the Allied power group. So in this way, Japan joined as the side of Axis power. Japan, Germany, Italy. These three countries and some countries joined as Axis powers countries. Okay, when Japan joined by the side of Germany, he attacked upon Pearl Harbor, which belongs to USA. When USA attacked by Japan, USA dropped two powerful bombs over Hiroshima and Nagasaki. Okay, so that is why Japan accepted their defeat, surrendered to the Allied power groups. But the victorious powers allowed in Japan emperor, constitutional monarch as Britain. Okay, next the government also must responsible to the parliament. So here parliament name is Diet. What's the name of parliament in Japan? Diet. What's the name of parliament in Germany? Reichstag. What's the name of parliament in USA? That is called Congress. Okay. Congress is one famous party in our country, children. Don't confuse. Okay. Russian parliament name is Duma. Japan parliament name is Diet. Okay. Germany parliament name is Reichstag. You keep in mind, children, these all things. Okay, children. Next one. After Second World War, these two countries became powerful countries. What are the two countries? USA, USSR. Actually, USA, USSR, they joined as Allied power group and attacked upon Axis power groups. These Axis power groups countries such as Japan, Germany, Italy was defeated. So after Second World War, what happened? These two countries separated by their ideological differences. What are the two countries? USA, capitalist economy, USSR, communist economy. Okay, USA came to help or to revive one plan, that is called Marshall Plan. Even USSR also announced one package for which countries are following this communist system. For example, Eastern European countries. What are that? Eastern European countries followed Russian communist ideology. So that is why Russia came forward to help with the package of these countries. Next, USA and Western European countries following capitalist economy. So that is why USA announced Marshall Plan to help the Western European countries which are continuing or following by the ideology of USA, such as what is the capitalist economy. Okay, children. So that is your lesson. Now, children, I want to show you one picture. Look, children, this picture is Jewish people, Jewish slaves, laborers in the Buchenwald concentration camp near Jena, Germany in 1945. Okay, children, I will explain the remaining lesson in the next class. Thank you.